With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So let's see this question. In this question it is given match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the code. In the list 1 you have various reactions and in list 2 you have equivalent weight. You need to select the particular equivalent weight for the following reactions. So the first reaction is that FeS2 is going to give you Fe3 plus SO2 minus SO2. So what is important here actually, here the sulfur is in -4 state and here the iron is in +2 state. But what about this S2? So here in this actually in two atoms of S2, one S is in -2 state and the other S, the second S is in 0 state. This is how FeS2 is written. So if you see the change in electrons, or you can say the oxidation state, then first of all Fe is getting changed by 1. So 1 into 1 plus what is the change in S2? So one S atom is getting converted into -4 state. So the change is from -2 to -4 and the other change is from 0 to 4 because two S atoms are in two different state in FeS2. So the first change you can write down from -2 to -4, the change is of 6. So 6 plus the second change is of 4. So finally how much you are getting? You are getting 11. So when we write down the equivalent weight is molar mass by n factor. Molar mass by n factor. And what is n factor here? N factor here is 11, right? So what you will write? Molar mass divided by n factor, which is 11. So m by 11 is the equivalent mass of FeS2. So let's check which option is correct. So for A, this option is correct for A. So we'll match here. A is matching with S, right? Now let's see the second one. So in the second one, again, it's very important. What is the reaction given to us? Fe2S3, right? This is the reaction you have. Fe2S3. And this is going to give you what? FeSO4 plus SO2. 2FeSO4 plus SO2. So here again, what is happening? This sulfur is in -4 state. This Fe is in +2. So here you will see that the sulfur is in SO4. Here the sulfur will be in +6 oxidation state and here in -2 oxidation state. So finally you will see that the change of electrons will be like this: 2 into 3 plus 2 into 6 plus 1 into 4. That is for iron, Fe. So finally what you are going to say that you are going to see that here this will come out to be around 22. So finally what will be the equivalent mass? Equivalent mass is molar mass by n factor. So molar mass by n factor. So what is molar mass? M divided by what is n factor? 22. So finally it will match with P, right? So P is B. Now next is KMnO4 in acidic medium. We know in acidic medium KMnO4 is M by 5. So this is C. And last one, Cu2S gives Cu2 plus SO2. So let's calculate here. In D, what you will write in D? For D it is Cu2S gives Cu2 plus SO2, right? This was only given, I guess, Cu2 plus SO2. So here you can see that S is in -4 state and here S is in -2 state. So the change is of how much? 6. The change is of 6 electrons. And finally here what will happen? The Cu is in +1 state. So from +1 to +2, that is for one atom. So for 2 atoms of Cu, the change will be of 2 electrons. Right, for 2 atoms of Cu, the change will be of 2. So finally, how much is the total change? The change total will be 6 plus 2, which is equals to 8. So what you are going to say? The equivalent mass will be equals to molar mass by n factor again. So molar mass by n factor and we know n factor is 8 here, so m by 8. So let's check which option will be matching. So for D you have R, that is m by 8. So let's summarize the entire answer. The entire answer will be, for A you have S, for B you have P, for C you have Q, and for D you have R. So S, P, Q, R, this is the order. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.